Welcome to Time with Mary. Today we're going to take a journey into the kitchen to bake the cookies that everyone asks for. These are my soft, buttery, and chewy homemade chocolate chip cookies. While I'm content using generic ingredients like generic chocolate chips, my recipe comes straight from the back of the Nestlé Toll House semi-sweet chocolate chip package. The only difference? I basically double the recipe and leave one package of chocolate chips for a double batch. Once my butter is fully melted, I add my sugars, vanilla, and eggs to the butter before mixing in the dry ingredients. Once my cookie dough is thoroughly mixed, I'll add my semi-sweet chocolate chips to the batter and simply scoop those onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet. I will do 2 pans of cookies in my oven, 325 degrees for 9 minutes, rotating those trays to accommodate the hot and cool patches in my oven. Now I do remove my cookies from the oven when they still look quite doughy on the top. What I'm looking for is just a hint of golden brown around the edges. I allow them to cool on a cooling rack before offering them to the family for dessert. Have it, the cookies that everyone asks for. Buttery, thin, chewy chocolate chip cookies. I hope your family enjoys them as much as mine does.